Okay, took off your belt. There's your belt cover. Don't look too bad. Get in here, look close. It's dry. That looks pretty good. Now for your muffler, he didn't do you no love. See that hole in there? I'm going to have to find a bolt and re-tap that. And the bolt that he used right here, it's not a factory bolt. There is no way this is supposed to come down like this and lock in, and then that bolt, let me get it down here. He's got the wrong bolt in there. Doesn't have threads all the way through, so there's no way you can even tighten it down to get it to stay on. So I'm waiting on the new front drive propeller shaft. I'll re-tap that screw up there and find the proper screw. I'll change your belt and I'll get her back together.